Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Mr.
Prem Kumar,
Author of.
Getting Inside Android.
What is one thing about your book you think is unique in its genre or theme?
The content which is inside the book, it is for absolute beginners.
Okay.
So anyone who has zero knowledge in programming and all,
Right.
and wants to start with Android directly, they
Right.
can start with this book. Okay. So it is written in basic languages. Okay.
Okay.
So anyone can start coding from it.
So programming in itself is a very difficult thing. So how did you manage to write a book about programming, and what are the challenges you faced while doing it?
I was used to programming and all from my childhood. Okay, so my first book was Getting Inside Java.
Okay.
So that book only got the award from India Book of Records.
Right. That was the world's
yeah.
youngest author.
Yeah, youngest author to write a programming book.
And how is it being at the world's largest book fair?
I think I didn't imagine that this kind of mass people should be here.
Right.
Yeah.
But what is some memorable feedback you've gotten about your book?
I read some reviews on Amazon.
Okay.
So it is great that people are loving it.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. I hope you
Thank
have
you so
a
much.
wonderful book
Yeah.
fair. See you around.